In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to install additional international geography packs. This mostly applies to customers that have purchased additional countries that don't already exist pre-packaged in AlignMix Pro. So if you've purchased new shapes like brand new Germany shapes or brand new UK shapes, this video applies to you. So if you've purchased an international geography pack from us, you will have received a link to download that shape file. And that shape file will mostly look like this here. It'll be .alg. And there's two ways that we can install this geography pack into your version of AlignMix. The first way is to simply double-click and install from this .alg file. But you do first need to have AlignMix installed and activated on your computer for this to work. So let's go ahead and double-click on this file here, and you'll see we have AlignMix booting up. And right now you can see that I have the AI version. You may be using the Pro version or the AI version. This process will be the same for both versions when you're installing additional geography packs. So let's wait for this to load up all the way. And just like that, you see we have this dialog box appear here to import geography pack. And here you see the name of that geography pack. So if you've purchased brand new German postcode shapes for 2020, this is what this will look like. But this process will apply to any country file that you've purchased directly from AlignMix. So from here, you click on the Next button, and you can see right here, Geography Pack has been successfully installed on this machine. The second way to install that same Geography Pack is to click on File, and then click here on Install Geography Pack. And this will bring up your Windows Explorer, and then you simply need to locate it on your desktop or wherever you have it saved, and then click on Open. And that same pop-up that you saw earlier from double-clicking will now appear on your screen. Simply click Next, and that pack has been installed, and then click on Finish. To start working on a file that you've just installed, you simply click on File, and then click on New Project. And then from the drop-down menu, you'll be able to select the country file that you've just installed. So if it's Germany in this case, you would click it, and then select the 2020 shapes for Germany, click Finish, and then the map will reconfigure on your screen to match the shape file that you've just selected as your new AlignMix file. And there you go. If you're looking for country shape files that aren't already pre-packaged in AlignMix Pro or AlignMix AI, just let us know what you're looking for. We may be able to source those countries for you. Most often, it will be an additional fee, and that fee depends on the country. So let us know what you're looking for. And that's it. You've just learned how to install new international geography packs into your version of AlignMix.